Ecole Centrale of Nantes is one of the biggest engineering schools in France. It welcomes 1,100 engineering students, 90 master students, and 160 PhD students. Centrale Nantes was one of the very first schools to combine three activities within its structure: education, research, and industrial studies. This video presentation focuses on research in the school and technology employed and developed.
The workshop industrial production department is the place where students learn the manufacturing techniques and process. A large range of machines are available for students, from basic milling and welding machines to less common ones, such as plasma cutter or machine for computing-assisted manufacture. Thus, students can become aware of industrial issues. Equipment are used to teach specific courses such as robotics, product conception and manufacturing, programming and use of industrial robots, and fast fabrication of prototypes.
On the campus of the Ecole Centrale, we can find the locale of the Laboratory of Fluids Mechanics. This laboratory is a research unit of CNRS, National Center of Scientific Research. The experimental facilities of the laboratory are unique in the field of academic research in France. They can work and make experiments in a wave tank of 50 meters length, 30 meters wide. It is the biggest wave tank in France. A multi-flap wave maker with 48 independent flaps allow to create multi-directional wave of 1 meter 8. In 2003, the Ecole Centrale Nantes and the Laboratory of Fluids Mechanics have launched a revolutionary project, the C-RAVE, stands for Independent Electric System of Recovery of Wave Energy. This project is supported by the Research Minister and the CNRS. C-RAVEs use the principle of pendulum to recover the energy from waves. They have also a towing tank of 148 meters long, equipped with a carriage allowing to tow models up to 8 meters per second. A wave maker allows to create front wave up to 60 cm height. This tank is used by companies such as DCNS to improve their products. The leads also study with a 26 meter long wind tunnel with a measurement section of 2 meter on 2 meter, used to make measurement for the study of lower urban atmosphere. So, the main research axis of the laboratory concerns the following four fields: hydrodynamics and ocean engineering, computational fluids dynamic, dynamic of the inhabited atmosphere, and finally, thermofluid study of internal combustion engines.
Hello everybody, my name is Mathieu Roche. I'm associate professor at Ecole Centrale and I do my research at IRSIN. My research consists in optimizing the programming of the machine tools for diverse processes. We aim to develop our own the manufacturing techniques and manufacturing technology of the future using innovative manufacturing processes. We can develop new tool paths, for example, for the aeronautics industry or the mold industry. We can optimize the programming so we can gain more efficiency on the process, we can decrease the manufacturing times, we can increase the quality of the parts. We just received a new machine tool which is dedicated to a new process called CLAD, which is constructive, laser, additive, direct. The purpose is to have to construct parts by projecting powder, metallic powder, and melting this powder with a laser, and then you build your part step by step and line by line. And thank you very much.
The Research Institute of Communication and Cybernetics of Nantes is a joint research unit of the CNRS. The IRSIN is composed of about 200 persons, of which 87 permanent researchers and 95 persons with temporary positions such as PhD students. The research objectives of the IRSIN concern the development of fundamental methodological and technological research in the fields of cybernetics. The research program at IRSIN is not only concerned with the theoretical production of new knowledge. It deals with the development of new tools and methods capable of bringing about solutions to concrete problems in the industrial or socio-economic sphere.
The GEM is a research center which organizes the university research in the field of solid mechanics in the metropole of Nantes. The research is done in close collaboration with developers, companies specialized in mechanics or civil engineering, and the CNRS. They are also involved in European programs. Its goal is to work out a scientific procedure based on the elaboration and the characterization of materials that includes shaping procedures and modeling to obtain calculations of structures and engineering works in the environment.